Hello guys, and welcome to another learning segment here with the Rouser. So today what I'm going to do is show you guys a foolproof method on how to be able to draw cartoon eyes, okay? So we're going to use what we call the parallelogram method. Parallelogram? Yes, for you that didn't pay attention in geometry class, this is what a parallelogram looks like. Okay, and you can just draw one in the other direction, kind of like this. But these are the shapes that I kind of base my eyes off of. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to draw these eyes using the parallelogram method. Okay, so we're going to start with her face first. You can see how we draw her eyes. So first thing you want to do is you want to decide how far you want the eyes apart and how big you want them. So if you draw little eyebrows, that means you want little eyes. Okay, now let's draw her eyes real quick and easy. So we're going to take our parallelogram shape. We're going to draw the top shape. 1, 2, 3, and then we're going to kind of squeeze that last line up a little bit. Okay, and then we're going to go 1, 2, 3. We're going to squeeze that last line up a little bit. Then we're going to add our little eye in the middle. We'll put a little dot for her pupil. Maybe a little circle on the side for some light. Then we'll soften up the shape by adding eyelashes. Then we'll add some eyelashes on the bottom. Okay, and then we'll add a little curve or arc on the top. And voila, you have a pretty cool set of eyes there using our parallelogram method. Okay, now we're going to go over to these eyes. Okay, we're going to practice those right here. So once again, whatever your eyebrow or expression is doing, your parallelogram is going to follow what it's doing. Okay, so I will draw one here. Maybe I can soften up. You can use the soften up the line. So 1, 2, 3, 4, right? You see how I did that? Then I go 1, 2, because I just connected the lines together. 3, 4, right? Then I'll add 1 and 2. Then I'll add a little pupil and a pupil. Then I'll add some light and some light. And then I'll just add some eyelashes to soften up the shape. And some lashes on the bottom. And then you just put your little line over the top and make them into a light line. Okay, so let's go ahead and practice a few more. I got another eye here. These are some pretty famous eyes, right? So let's do those eyes. We'll go right here. We'll go 1, and they're kind of far apart. So we'll go 2, right? How do we draw those eyes? Same thing. We'll just tilt the top of the parallelogram down. See? 1, 2, 3. Shorter shape in the back. Right? And then on the bottom, we're going to bow the shape outward. 4. See? 1, 2. You just got to figure out what direction. 3, 4. You want to put your lines in using this as the basis. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? And then we can just put some lashes down here to cover that in. And then we just add our lines in. Okay. And then we'll do one more shape just for the road. Why not, guys? Let's do Demi Lovato eyes. Okay, so we'll put hers over here. So we'll go one, and hers are kind of small once again, and together. Okay, so I'm going to use small together shapes. I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, right? Add your lashes in, just like so. Add your lashes down here. This is how you soften up the shape with lashes. Then you just add your eyeballs in, the bridge of your nose, and voila. You have some easy shapes, easy eyes, using our parallelogram shape. So guys, I hope that you learned a lot from this video and tutorial. We'll be posting more videos and tutorials soon. Master how to use this shape here. Make your eyes easier. You guys have a blessed and wonderful day. And the Rouser will be coming back to you soon with some more cool art tips to make your life easier. Happy cartooning, guys.
Hey guys, I hope that you enjoyed that video tutorial. If you did, don't hesitate guys to go ahead and give us a like. Also guys, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below and the notifications button. This way, when we put up new material, you'll be the first to know. If you have any questions about our markers or pens or paper, and you'd like to know where I get some of the materials that I use here on my art stream, there's a link in the description below, so you can go ahead and check that out as well. And also guys, we'd like to welcome your questions and comments so that we can get some new ideas. You know, it's always good to have new, fresh ideas for our next and upcoming videos. Oh, and don't forget to check out these 2 super cool videos right here. So guys, thanks again for your love and support of our channel. You guys be safe out there. And as always, guys, I wish you happy cartooning.